and I'll see you in a couple days. All right, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I am actually going to see how long it takes me to suck down a cough drop. No chewing. No chewing. I want you to try this at home. Wow, these things are tiny. They got smaller. Flavor meter's not all the way up. What if I want my flavor meter all the way up? What's up with that? Okay, here we go. Go. Let's throw mine a little late. Man, we're gonna be here a while. No chewing with your gums either. Fucking weirdos. I know you want to chew with your gums and press your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. Roof of your mouth? Up against the roof of your mouth? It ain't gonna work, brother. It ain't gonna work, brother. I almost just chewed it. It's instinct. It's instinct to chew it when it gets to a certain point. I feel like I've gotten pretty far with it. We're only 45 seconds in, so this may not even be that long. Man, I'm really sucking it. God damn it. I can't believe I just said that. That totally just came out like nonchalantly. God damn it. It's the funniest shit. Okay. Man, I'm still going. There's a hole forming in the middle now all of a sudden. We're like a minute and 35 seconds. Wow, man. I cannot believe I just said that so nonchalantly. So I want you guys to try this at home, obviously. Get some Hall's cough drops. And turn on that camera and just suck as hard as you can. You know? See how fast you can finish it, you know? You know what I'm saying. It's totally turned into something that I didn't expect it to turn into. Alright, it's gonna get ridiculous now. It's pretty flat. How can I show you without me like... Can you see that? I don't know which camera can see that better, but hopefully you saw that. It's pretty flat now. You know, it's just a little, it's almost like I'm just sucking on my own mouth. You know what I mean? Sucking on nothing. But it's still there. Gotta really use that friction. Get energy up, you know? How many fucking different faces can I make sucking on a cough drop? Alright. Well, 4 minutes. Coming up. I'm almost done. I could have just did that the first time. But I'm an idiot, you know? Shit happens. What do you want me to do? Cools nasal pathogens. I'm almost there, guys. Almost there. Not chewing. Not using the roof of my mouth. thin as paper. Who the hell's calling me, dude? I'm filming a video. Don't you know? Fuck out of here. Don't ever call me if I'm filming a video. If I'm filming a video, you should know. You should know. You should be like, you know what? I'm not gonna bother him. You're filming a video. Sucking on a cough drop. 5 minutes. It's like gone. It's like as gone can be without actually being gone. No swallowing it either. I know it gets to a point where obviously you can swallow. I could probably swallow this. You know what? That's the next thing. Let's see how quickly I can eat a cough drop. No, I'm not going to do that to myself. All right. Thanks for watching. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Boom. Call it 5 minutes and 18 seconds because I started a little late. 5 minutes, 18 seconds. See if you can beat that. Buy some Halls, cough drops. Maybe you already have some lying around. And suck on that bitch as hard as you can. As quick as you can. And send your videos my way. I'll share them. I'll like them. I'll love them. And I'll see you in a couple days.